How to create Among Us account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create your Among Us account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly launch the game application Among Us in your device. After that, at the top left corner, you will see the option of account. Simply click on it. After that, you will see this prompt where you need to choose the option of sign in. Then after, you will see this do you want to create an account option, you need to click on OK. After you click on OK, in another prompt, you will see that you have successfully created an account for you in Among Us game application. So that's it. That is how easily you can create an account in Among Us. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.